Our planet Earth is always on the move. Even though we don't feel it, we're constantly spinning, orbiting and shifting through space. It's easy to forget that we're riding on a giant rock hurtling through the cosmos. It spins like a top, but well, much slower. Still, this slow and steady rotation is what gives us the rhythm of day and night. This spinning is called Earth's rotation. It's one of the most fundamental motions of our planet, and it's been happening for billions of years. It takes about 24 hours for Earth to make one full spin, which is why we have day and night. As Earth turns, different parts face the sun, creating sunrise, daylight, sunset, and night. Imagine you're standing on the Earth. You feel still, grounded, but in reality, you're part of a massive spinning sphere. You're actually moving incredibly fast because of Earth's rotation. The ground beneath your feet is sweeping you around the planet at astonishing speeds. At the equator, you would be traveling at over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. That's faster than most airplanes. And yet, we don't feel a thing, thanks to gravity and the consistent speed of Earth's spin. This constant spinning might seem strange, but it's crucial for life on Earth as we know it. It helps regulate temperature, drives weather patterns, and keeps ecosystems in balance. But what if it all came to a halt? What would happen if our planet suddenly stopped spinning? The consequences would be devastating. Oceans would surge, winds would roar, and the balance of life would be thrown into chaos. Earth's motion isn't just a cosmic dance, it's a lifeline. Imagine Earth suddenly stopping its spin. It would be like slamming the brakes on a speeding car. Everything on the surface, including us, would be flung eastward at incredible speeds. Buildings would crumble, trees would be uprooted, and massive tsunamis would engulf coastlines. The oceans, no longer held in place by Earth's rotation, would surge towards the poles. This would leave behind a giant landmass around the equator and two vast oceans at the poles. The sudden shift in water would cause unimaginable destruction. The atmosphere wouldn't be spared either. The air, still moving at high speeds, would create winds stronger than any hurricane ever recorded. These winds would sweep across the planet, leveling everything in their path. The Earth's atmosphere is also responsible for our weather patterns. Without the spin of the Earth, these patterns would be thrown into chaos. We would likely experience extreme temperatures, unpredictable storms, and drastic changes in rainfall. Right, so the long-term effects of a stationary Earth would be equally dramatic. We're talking about a complete transformation of the planet as we know it. Climate, ecosystems, even the very atmosphere would be altered in ways we can barely imagine. One side of the Earth would face the sun constantly, experiencing, well, just absolutely scorching heat. Temperatures could soar to levels far beyond what any current desert experiences, making it virtually uninhabitable. Oceans on that side might even begin to evaporate, leading to massive atmospheric changes. Meanwhile, the other side would be plunged into the darkness of space, leading to, you guessed it, freezing temperatures. We're talking about a deep freeze that could rival the coldest places in our solar system. Any water would freeze solid and life as we know it would struggle to survive. Now, the lack of rotation would also have a significant impact on Earth's magnetic field. This field is generated by the movement of molten iron in the Earth's core, which is driven in part by the planet's rotation. Without that motion, the magnetic field could weaken or even collapse entirely. And that magnetic field, let's not forget, is our first line of defense against harmful radiation from the sun. Solar flares and cosmic rays are constantly bombarding our planet, and without that shield, we'd be in serious trouble. This weakening of our shield could, quite alarmingly, expose life on Earth to dangerous levels of radiation. Increased UV exposure could lead to higher cancer rates, damage to crops, and widespread ecological disruption. In short, a non-rotating Earth wouldn't just be strange, it would be catastrophic. Earth's rotation is not just about day and night, it's a cosmic rhythm that has been playing for over 4.5 billion years. Every spin, every turn is part of a delicate choreography that sustains life as we know it. This rotation drives the cycle of sunlight and darkness, setting the pace for biological clocks in plants, animals, and even humans. It's actually a fundamental force that shapes our planet in ways we often overlook. It influences our weather systems, stirs the oceans into vast currents, and helps regulate temperatures across the globe. Without this motion, winds would stall, climates would shift, and ecosystems would collapse. And yes, even our magnetic field owes its existence to Earth's rotation. This invisible shield protects us from harmful solar radiation and cosmic particles, making life on the surface possible. Without this rotation, Earth would be a vastly different and frankly inhospitable place, more like the barren worlds we see elsewhere in our solar system. No seasons, no weather, no life. The constant spinning of our planet is a quiet yet powerful reminder of the delicate balance that exists in the universe. It's a force we rarely think about, yet it touches every part of our lives. It's a balance that we must understand and respect if we hope to ensure the continued existence of life on Earth. Because sometimes the most powerful forces are the ones we never hear, but always feel. Now then, thinking about what would happen if the Earth stopped spinning might seem like a bit of a scary thought experiment. However, it really does highlight the incredible power of nature and indeed the importance of scientific understanding. By studying Earth's systems, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. And this knowledge, well, it empowers us to make informed decisions about how we interact with our environment and protect our fragile home.